Hi traders, today is 7th of August 2019. So I just found a short sell position. So this is a live day trading for WTI crude oil market for CLU 9, which is September contract 2019. So in this video you will see how I do my scalping technique during US session. So now is 11 past 8 a.m. in the morning Chicago time. So we are in profit about 340 US dollar. So let's take a look uh, here. So this is the profit, and this one looks good. So I have entered the market at around 9:01 p.m. my local time. So New York time is also 9 a.m. in the morning. So and for Chicago time I think 8 a.m. So I've been in the market for 11 minutes. So let's see whether we can achieve 400 or 500 in profit today. This one is a quick one, so now 340. So I queue my stop. I queue my profit target is at 52.12. If the price reverse back, then I will exit at break even. So let's take a look on the volume. So there's a high volume waiting here at 52.10, about 500. This is extremely high. So let's wait. So this is a live trade for CLU 9 contract September 2019. So in this video, it's quite clear that's how I do a day trading every day as a day salary, and it is possible to be in the market for a few minutes for a couple of bucks, so a couple of $100. So target to daily is around 200 to 350. Okay, I hit my TP, so 420 US dollar in profit. 420. So you can take a look here, 420. So let's take a look on the duration we are in the market. So I enter the market at 9:01 a.m. New York time, and local time now is 9:01 also, 12 hour ahead of New York. And I've been in the market for 12 minutes. So 12 minutes earning around 420 US dollar is quite a good amount. So we'll see whether this technique I've done it since last year. So you can watch my playlist, and after that there's also a link in the description, and please subscribe this channel or like, share and comment for any interesting or your idea, whatever the questions I will try to answer. And also if you're interested to learn from me, so there's a link possibility. I will put it maybe in the next few weeks, not yet ready. This is how I will show my technique. Okay, I think that's all for tonight or today. If you are in US area, this is a live trade for crude oil day trading US session. Thank you. Bye bye.